Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today I am putting out a last call, probably tomorrow or Sunday, being on June 21st, first day of the summer for 2019. Putting out a last call. This is for those that want to get early bird access to my elite service. It's going to be very exclusive to a very small number of people. I'll probably do another batch later on, depending upon the demand. And it's a pretty fantastic deal if you're a big fan of mine. Thanks for the loyalty. I know there's a bunch of you out there, so I'm putting this out there. What you need to do is you need to get onto my email list. So the only way really to do that is one of two ways. Just come into my website here at quantlabs.net, and you can either join via either of these links. Download a PDF for courses, say download PDF. What that will do, it will enable you to sign up. Don't worry, I don't do any third-party selling of emails or anything like that. You just sign up here. From there, you will have the ability to get tagged into the early bird list. If you're not on it, you won't get access to this deal. So that's why I'm making this video to anybody out there who might not be aware of this. So this is what you get. There's 3 levels of services that is included. The key here for making it worthwhile, it's a multiple year 2+. Now notice it said 2+, so it could be, I don't know, 3 years. And it's listed to all of the above, okay? And as I said, it's going to be very, very limited. A very small number of people. I'm not going to say, but once it's allocated, those slots, then I'll drop it down to the 2-year for the next round who may be interested. Now, this is all dependent upon the demand. This is what it includes. First, I've not shown this before. This is a first. This is the private lifetime access. So this is a lifetime access to the chat server, and it's not tracked by any third party like Telegram, Facebook, or whatever. And they can log all the information that you type up. So it just makes it secure, anonymous, and private. That means you can talk about anything you want, even taxes. So everything gets purged after a few days, just so you know. So the next big one that I've been pushing lately is the Quant Analytics. Now, if you've not seen the sales page, I just put up a new one in the last few days, which is this one. I've put up a bunch of videos, and it's a lot of information. People do like it. I've also built out a new tutorial page right here in blue. That will take you to this page. In here, this is a monthly service, so it's pretty well every day. Charts get updated, posted. There's a lot of detail. Right at the bottom of this tutorial page, you'll find a complete walkthrough of everything. It's an hour and 45 minutes. It's how much data and stuff is being posted here every hour. A few unique things that you will not get anywhere else, I can guarantee you that, unless you build it yourself, is the ability to get true co-integration of pair trading for both Forex and crypto. I've also included bid and ask, as well as long-short positions on cryptocurrencies using Kraken. And again, why I use Kraken is because there's a lot of Americans that come to me that will no longer have access to Binance after September. So that's why, luckily, I moved over to Kraken a few weeks before that announcement. So there's a lot of information here for both Forex and crypto. And there's also poor man's gateway to futures and options using the CFD asset class for all the other major asset classes, including commodity, financial, like treasury, indices, and precious metal. Then we have been pushing earlier in the year the Python infrastructure course. This helps you build out your own trading bots, all the charts, everything I have is from this course. All the charts that you see in the analytics, so you can get access to that by going here, and that will take you to this page right here, and that will walk you through all the itinerary and course material in that course. And this stuff don't stop there. And again, that's Python. Now, again, I've been pushing the Elite. Now, this is what you get access to. There's a bunch. There's 4 total courses. If you want to know what those are, you can get access to this sales page, and this sales video will walk you through everything that's included. It's quite a bit. On top of that, you get all my future video playbacks. I'll be doing another one next week. I try to do them every week on Mondays or Tuesdays. Also, remember, I've been doing this for 10 years now, so you get access to all of the 10-year archive. It's massive. So you'll get all the information at that sales page. Also, so regardless if you're a trader or not, or a programmer, the analytics alone is worthwhile. All my research, all that gets posted either in the chat server or put into the Elite backend that you'll get access to. And then through that, you'll get all my new stuff. I'm planning to do machine learning, a whole pile of stuff. So it's all there, and you'll get access to it. I've not talked about the trading signals that I'll be generating. I'll be building out sample Python scripts to help you execute your own orders. Not sure how I'm going to do that yet, but that's a pretty awesome deal. So that's what we got. So this is how it's going to work. That's what you're getting, all the benefits. So how it's going to work is I'm putting out this video. I'll be doing a round for all of my people that are already on the early bird. So they'll get first crack because they've signed up for it. And if those slots get filled, great. I'll do another round with the same benefits, just depend upon the response to this. And then I'll do another one maybe however long it takes. Just everything depends upon demand. So again, this is going to be very exclusive, a very small number of slots. I won't be able to take everybody. This is really meant for people that are really driven, that want to get access to this, get access to full everything, and are about call to action. This is beyond what you could dream of. Over 10 years of experience for the price. So again, if you want to get on the early bird list, as I said, get onto one of the lists here. Either I'll just get over to the blog. So you just click on in the blog either courses or download PDF. As I said, you can fill out all the information, and hopefully you'll be able to still get access or to the offer. But we'll see. I'll keep you up to date on how it goes, and maybe next steps. Other than that, talk to you later. Have a good day.